Hello everyone, I want to share to you about my dream last night about the snake. So last night I dreamed about two snake, and then when I saw this snake was moving so fast, uh, and then when it came to me, I hit the head, both of them head. So I hit the head and they died. So today I went to the dentist today, and there were two women were upset to me. I don't understand why they were upset, and I don't do anything to them. I don't understand. So these two women in the dentist was like giving me a um I don't know. They never been like that before, but today it's different. So the so whenever you dream about snake, so we need to pray for that, because the devil it's trying to warning us, because somebody, it's really real. When you dream of snake, then somebody will going to attack you, or trying to, or upset with you, you know. So we need to get ready for that. So 2 days ago I also dream another dream about a homeless woman. Um, there was a homeless woman in front of me, standing in front of me, and when I turned around, he was preaching, like suddenly preaching, and she was like warning us that staying away from sin, because if we do not staying away from sin, then there is the judgment of God. So that's all for now, guys. So that's all for now that I want to share to you about the dream about snake. So when you dream of snake, that's really, really real. A snake is a sign of somebody or someone trying to attack you. It's a demon. It's a demon manifestation. So guys, thank you for now. I So whenever I had a dream, like prophecies, I'm gonna share to you here. Thank you. God bless.